Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to get App Store back on your iPhone home screen. Several easy ways are shared here. Way 1. Check if the App Store disappeared. Tap the search icon on your iPhone screen and search App Store. If you find App Store in the search result, long press on it and drag it to your iPhone home screen. Way to check if the App Store is hidden in a folder. Browse through all the home screen folders on your iPhone. Check the folder one by one. If you find the App Store, drag it back to your main home screen. Way 3. Turn off restrictions. Tap Settings. Tap Screen Time option. Tap App Limits. Select App Store and enter your screen time passcode. Tap Delete Limit and confirm it. Then you can check if the App Store is back to normal. Way for Reset Home Screen. Tap Settings. Select the General option. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap Reset Home Screen. Way 5. Fix iOS, iPadOS. iShare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software, which can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can download it to fix the App Store missing issue. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the Next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone is repaired successfully. You can see the App Store is on the home screen. That's all for the video.